Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation route in Google Maps. To use Google Maps, firstly enter Android Auto or CarPlay and go to it. Tap Search, and here you can navigate to points of interest, recent search, or you can simply enter address. Tap Start and it's done. To stop navigation route, tap Exit. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.